In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Shopify store link, or any other link, into your Instagram bio using super simple steps. This is a great way to drive traffic from your Instagram followers directly to your store, making it easier for them to explore your products and potentially make purchases. Let's get started by opening the Instagram app on your phone. If you don't have it downloaded yet, you'll want to make sure to head to your App Store and get it installed. Once you've opened the app, look towards the bottom of the screen where you'll see several icons. Tap the icon on the far right. This is your profile icon, which usually appears as a small version of your profile picture. This will take you directly to your profile page where you can see all your posted content and some of your personal details. Next, you're going to want to tap on the Edit Profile button. You'll find this button prominently displayed under your profile picture and bio, and it opens up a world of options for editing all the parts of your profile. You'll see various fields where you can update your information, but for today's task, let's focus on the section that says Website. In this field, you'll want to paste the URL of your Shopify store. For example, enter something like https:/yourstorename.com. Make sure you have this URL correctly copied beforehand, so you can simply press and hold to paste it into the field. A little tip to save time and minimize errors. This field is specifically designed for clickable links, so place your primary link here to make sure it's easy for people to access directly. Additionally, consider mentioning your Shopify store URL in your bio text as well. This is purely optional, but can be a good way to emphasize your online store to anyone browsing your profile. However, remember the clickable part only works in the website field, so that's where the direct link should always be. Once you feel satisfied with the changes you've made, the next step is to confirm and save. Look for the Save or Done button, which is often in the top right corner of your screen. This ensures that all your efforts are locked in and your profile is updated. Now, when people visit your Instagram profile, they'll see your store link right away and can click it to be taken directly to your online store. This method streamlines the process of turning Instagram visitors into potential customers, enhancing the functionality of your social media presence. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this guide makes it easy for you to connect your Instagram followers with your Shopify store link. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tips and tricks just like this.